In this video, I'll show you how to quickly customize your homepage shortcuts in Brave browser so you can add, remove, and organize your favorite websites for faster access. Open Brave browser and click on a new tab. This is your homepage where you see your shortcuts, also called top sites. These are quick links to websites you visit often. Look to the top right corner of the new tab page and click on Customize, the gear icon. This opens the settings panel for your homepage. In the customization menu, find the section called Top Sites. Here you can turn shortcuts on or off depending on your preference. You can choose between favorites or frequently visited. If you choose favorites, your homepage will only show the websites you manually select. This gives you full control over what appears on your new tab page. If you choose frequently visited, Brave automatically fills your shortcuts with the sites you visit most often and updates them over time without you needing to manage anything. If you are using favorites, you can add a new site in two ways. You can click the plus tile at the end of the shortcuts row and enter the website name and URL, then save it. Or you can click the three-dot menu on an existing shortcut and choose Add Site to manually add a new shortcut. To remove a site, simply right-click on any shortcut and select Remove. You can also rearrange your shortcuts by clicking and dragging them into your preferred order. Place your most important websites at the front for faster access. That's how you customize your homepage shortcuts in Brave browser.